Apple is a company who is trying to make their entire business run on 100% renewable energy to reduce the impact on environment by 2030. Now, Apple's headquarters, data centers, Apple stores and all its service centers are carbon neutral. If you didn't know, well, now you know. And that's why Apple said it removed the chargers and AirPods from the retail boxes of the iPhone 12 lineup. Okay, keeping that aside, don't you think Apple is too secure? Because Apple is known for locking down components to that specific iPhone from the iPhone 10. What this means is if any component is replaced by a duplicate one or a third party component, the phone will show warnings that that part or component can't be verified. So, this has been taken to the next level in the iPhone 12 series. Like the previous generations, even now the warning pops up. But not only when it is replaced by a third party component, even when the components are swapped from a brand new iPhone. In a video posted by Hugh Jeffrey, he bought two new iPhone 12s and swapped the motherboards between those two. Though those were the same iPhone models, the iPhone 12s, the phones didn't work. Face ID wasn't working. The not genuine component messages were popping up. Camera wasn't functioning properly. Battery percentage was gone, and many more. So, why did this happen? It's because Apple has locked the components to that specific device. The components won't work even if it's a genuine component made by Apple for that same iPhone model. Apple is adding a unique memory key to battery and other components of all the iPhones to lock it. So why is Apple doing this? The answer is simple but complicated. The simple answer is Apple doesn't want its customers to repair their iPhone on their own. But the complicated answer is Apple wants you to take the damaged iPhone to authorized service centers or Apple stores. And I have 4 reasons for that. One is the fact that people at the authorized service center are well trained by Apple to make sure that there are no mistakes while repairing the damaged iPhone. And they will be having the genuine components provided by Apple. 2. You already know that Apple wants their entire business operations to run on 100% renewable energy. If you take the damaged iPhone to any third-party service center, they might not be having a renewable source to run their business or office. So, Apple doesn't want even one of their product to be responsible for impacting the environment, hence locking the components. And the third reason is durability and longevity. See, if any person buys an iPhone or any phone for that matter, he'll use it at least for 3 years. So, Apple wants the same thing. That's why they provide software updates for 5 years on all the iPhones. And if any component is replaced with a duplicate one, that might not last long as the genuine component will. And to ensure that, Apple is locking the components. And the fourth reason is obviously to earn more. So, the bottom line is, Apple is too secure. Do you feel the same way? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Well, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.